Hey, so if you're trying to figure out which company pays better, yeah, comparing salaries on Glassdoor is actually really useful. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to compare salaries step by step. First, go to Glassdoor and click on the Salaries tab. This is where you can search and compare pay for different jobs and companies. Next, type in the job you want to compare. So, like software engineer, accountant, or sales executive. Now add your location. This is important because salaries can change a lot depending on the country or city. All right, you'll now see a salary range. This includes average pay, low end, and high end based on real employee data. Now, here's the key part. Click on different companies that show up so you can directly compare how much each company pays for the same job. Next, look at the breakdown. Some companies include base salary, bonuses, and extra compensation separately. And scroll down to see employee submitted reports. This helps you understand if the salary data is accurate or just an estimate. So that's how you compare salaries on Glassdoor. Once you know how to use it properly, it becomes really powerful for job decisions. For